Enabling or disabling standby night mode on your iPhone 15 allows you to customize your device's display during nighttime use, reducing eye strain and potentially improving sleep quality by adjusting the screen's color temperature. Here's how it's done. First, navigate to the home screen by swiping up from the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. In the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Standby. Next, toggle the standby switch to the on position to enable the feature. Doing so enables and shows additional options. To activate night mode while on standby, navigate to the display section, then tap to turn the night mode switch on. When enabled, standby will display with a red tint in low ambient lighting conditions. This red tint helps reduce blue light emission, which can interfere with your natural sleep cycle. If you don't want to use this feature, then you can just toggle the standby switch off. When disabled, standby will maintain its regular display settings, even in low light conditions. You can also set your device to show notifications while on standby mode by turning the show notification switch on. This feature allows you to customize your iPhone 15's nighttime display, potentially improving your sleep quality and reducing eye strain during late night use. Repeat the same steps to return to the standby menu, should you wish to make necessary changes to its configuration. And that's it. Please subscribe to this channel if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.